Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick and simple tutorial on how you can stake your Solana tokens with bSOL, and that is going to qualify you for Solana staking rewards, as well as a BLZE token airdrop. Now, the SolBlaze Twitter page literally even includes the airdrop symbol in its name. And in fact, if we go to the BLZE rewards page, you can see that the amount that you get in terms of an airdrop is constantly being calculated and is airdropped to Solana wallets for BLZE stakers every couple of weeks. And the more that you stake, the more that you earn. But also, there's a few other things you can do to boost your SolBlaze score and your airdrop. So I'm going to go through that here. For starters, if you don't know what SolBlaze or bSOL is, it's a liquid Solana staking token that represents staked SOL, and it shows up in your Solana wallet. So for example, if you have some bSOL tokens, it will be listed in that wallet. And what this does is it automatically accrues Solana staking rewards for you. So if you hold the bSOL token over time, it will increase in value according to the Solana staking rewards, which is currently over 8%. Now, in terms of how you can actually stake with SolBlaze, there's two main ways. The first is that you can actually go directly to their application here and unstake Solana with them. So for example, once you connect your wallet, you can choose how much you want to stake. So let's say I want to stake 0.1 SOL. It shows you how much you will receive, and then you simply hit on the button and it will pop up in your wallet asking you to confirm the transaction. So I can go ahead and confirm that there. And the transaction was successful, and if I open up my wallet, the amount of BLZE or bSOL token is increased and the amount of Solana token is decreased. Now, the other main way that you can actually stake is by simply opening up your wallet and swapping directly in your wallet from Solana or any other token to bSOL. And you can also do this on decentralized exchanges like Jupiter and Orca Finance, etc. So once you actually have some bSOL tokens, you can go ahead and click on the BLZE rewards tab, where you can track in real time how many BLZE tokens you are accruing. And the token already exists, but there's an ongoing airdrop, like I said, which is periodically airdropped to the wallets every few weeks. And the more that you stake and hold, the more that you will earn. Now, if you want to actually boost your BLZE rewards and your SolBlaze score, you can do things with the token, the bSOL liquid staking token. For example, you can use it in DeFi. So if I open up the MarginFi application, which is a Solana DeFi application where you can lend and borrow different assets, I can actually lend out the Solana that I staked with SolBlaze by selecting bSOL from the list here and hitting supply, and then choosing how much I want to lend to the platform. So let's say I want to lend the full amount of my bSOL tokens. I can hit supply here, and then it's going to ask me to confirm this transaction in my wallet, which I will go ahead and do. And so now I've taken that liquid staking token, bSOL, and I've supplied it to MarginFi. I've lent it out, and I'm earning an APY on that of about 2.65%, which is boosted by those BLZE token rewards. And so now that I've actually used this token in a DeFi application by lending it out on MarginFi, I'm actually also accumulating additional points on MarginFi. And if I go back to the BLZE reward section, the SolBlaze score is going to go up faster as a result of the fact that I've also used it in DeFi. So those are the two basic steps that you need to complete in order to qualify for this airdrop. Simply stake and then take the stake tokens and then use them in DeFi. Now, if you are ready to unstake them, again, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can unstake it directly on the platform by selecting how much you want to unstake, or the easier way actually is simply to swap from the bSOL token to whatever token that you want in your wallet or on a decentralized exchange. I'll throw a link to the SolBlaze and the MarginFi applications down below this video. Of course, always make sure that you do your own research and understand the risks of what you're doing, especially when it comes to lending out your crypto assets on another platform like MarginFi. But good luck out there, and hopefully you qualify for a decent airdrop from SolBlaze.